I love you, water. Thank you so much. Thanks for having me. Thanks for keeping me safe, keeping my friends safe, my people safe, giving us access to ourselves, to my feelings. Water can be really, really painful, especially a type of cold that I wasn't expecting. Just a flow change in the water and a degree can change that feeling. There is pain, there is physical pain for sure. When that cold water hits your skin, it brings up a lot. And it changes day to day what it brings up. Sometimes it brings up sadness for me, you know, and it's nice to be able to have cold water and that type of therapy to help even just catch that sensation. Because the more I rehearse that, the more I connect with therapeutic practices. So I'm able to like acknowledge it, release it, and then move on and move forward. And going through the layers, okay, where am I? I'm in fear. I'm in fear stage. Okay, fear stage, I'm afraid, look around. Water's calm, safe. I'm safe. And then acknowledging those parts allows other parts to come in. Oh, I'm safe, okay, good. How does that feel to feel safe? It feels really incredible. There's an immense amount of joy to recognize that I have gotten to the place in my life where I can be in physical pain, but acknowledge that there is joy present, that somewhere within the layers, within this body, joy is present, fear is present, and going through those stages feels really important. Whoa!